So tell me, Aldo, what do we have here today?
This is shark rib. We're also gonna have this at the butcher shop, and if you can see, it's thinly sliced, so it gets cooked fairly quickly on the Japanese charcoal that we have. Beautiful. It's gonna be fast, super fast.